frosting.
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty good. Anyway, did you finish drawing Luna?
You know, I never started. We were too busy baking.
Should I try and get her again?
Of course.
Are you sure it didn't end well last time? She brought a dead rat in the house.
Would you like me to try?
Be my guest.
Here, you can keep drawing on this one. Oh, bye.
How?
IDK. She just came to me. That was really weird.
Okay.
Let's do this.
Wait, what is ID?
No!
Alright. Alright. Okay, you look ready to eat.
Why do you have 2 forks?
No, because
Guys, this looks really beautiful.
I know.
It looks like cheese and bacon.
Oh, it's perfect.
Wow. Do you approve of the smell?
I just had a face of disgust, and I don't know why.
Oh, I'll make sure to crop that. Alright.
I was thinking...
Editor, whether it's Mia or I.
Mia, can you give him the,
I was thinking about cheese and bacon.
No, stop thinking about that.
Cheese and bacon sounds wonderful together.
She thinks it looks like cheese and bacon on
It's like
cake.
bacon.
No, it most definitely does not. You're
Alright.
Here we go.
Everyone, take your bites into your forks. Let's do this. Don't eat the metal though.
Can't seem to get a bite. Thank you.
Approval.
That tastes really good.
Yeah.
A lot of white chocolate on it.
Definitely not like bacon and cheese. But really good. Dang. That is really good. What are your thoughts?
It's a little too much icing.
Mm-hmm.
I would have preferred just the drizzle, not the whole topping.
Oh?
But the cake is fabulous.
Mmm. It's like the most perfect, like, perfectness.
Mm-hmm.
That was perfect.
You know what I'm trying to say, guys?
Yes.
Okay.
No.
Yeah,
Oh my gosh.
that's very good.
I'm gonna eat this for dessert and for lunch. Mm.
And for lunch? Don't know if your mom will let you do that.
Okay.
So, my friends, isn't this supposed to be a copycat of the Fusion,
No.
Galactica, and
Gargantuan
deers that live in woods?
Outer space. Here's the no. Gargantuan fusion reactors in outer space and male deer. Yes, this is supposed to be a copycat. You found it on the interwebs.
How many times did you have to say that to like be able to say it perfectly? That many?
Once.
About a week.
No, he said it once.
Did Mia stab you with a fork?
No, that's Wiggles.
Yes, I stabbed him. You taste
Wow, guys.
like sugar.
This is quite good.
So you weren't supposed to take it out of the pan?
No, it's really flimsy.
Thank you.
You're
Yeah.
welcome.
You're welcome.
Applause.
You are amazing.
Now that the cake is done cooling, we're gonna take the frosting that we made, and we are going to slap it right on there.
Okay, so the bars aren't quite completed yet. We need to sprinkle the chopped cranberries over top, and then drizzle the remaining white chocolate over it, and then cut it into bars. Why does it look like nacho cheese?
That's so wrong. Oh my gosh, that's so wrong. But guys, we're gonna cut these
Bacon
into bars.
and cheese.
Oh gosh. No. No, it doesn't have to. So we're gonna cut this into bars, and then we will go to the taste test right now. Let's do it. Here it goes. Here it goes. All right. The bars are done. Look at that absolutely beautilicious thing.
Look at that beauty.
I must agree. Now this is gonna cool on the stove top for about 10 to 30 minutes. It just depends on how hot the oven was or how hot the pan is. All right, and we'll get back to you when it's nice and cool. Now we have our 1 cup of powdered sugar and 8 ounces of cream cheese, and we're gonna slap them in that lovely bowl, as well as half of the melted white chocolate. Spatula, and mix it together. simple rundown of what's gonna happen next.
Batter in the pan.
Now we're gonna open that delicious oven and put our thing in the oven. And there we go. Now that's gonna bake for 18 to 21 minutes. So let's set that timer. We're gonna start it at 18 minutes. Come on, come on. Boom. And guys, it's time to wash some dishes.
Now that our brown sugar and butter mixture is cooled, we're gonna beat in the eggs and the vanilla extract.
While me's doing that, I'm gonna mix together the flour, baking powder, salt, and cinnamon in that bowl that they are in.
And now that we're done mixing, we're gonna gradually add the flour mixture into the other mixture.
Alright.
Let me lift this up so it's...
And then when that's done, we will mix in the cranberries, not the chopped ones, and the chopped white chocolate. Now we've poured the brown sugar and melted butter mixture into a larger bowl. And we need to let it cool to room temperature, which is gonna take a while. So we'll get back to you when that's done. For the first step, we're gonna melt our butter in the microwave for 1 minute.
Okay, now that the butter is melted, we're gonna add potty time!
It's potty time! And it goes off in every one of our videos.
Ever since Thanksgiving.
Alright.
But now that the butter has melted, we're gonna add in the white brown sugar.
Alright. Alright, and go.
Pan.
Spray!
Magic.
Hey, it worked.
It's
Oh, by
magic.
the way, the pan is 13 by 9 inches. We had to use an 8 by 11 because my mom passed the pan. But use a 13 by 9 if you can. All right.
Well, the oven needs to be preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
You can go ahead and do that. Let me make sure there's something in there. Go ahead. And for all you metric system people, that is 176.667 degrees Celsius.
Really?
Yep.
Okay.
For this wintry treat, we will need 3/4 of a cup of butter,
1.5 cups of packed light brown sugar,
2 eggs,
3/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla extract,
all in this ramekin, 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour,
1.5 teaspoons of baking powder,
1/4 teaspoon of salt,
1/8 teaspoon of ground cinnamon,
1/2 a cup of dried cranberries,
6 ounces of chopped white baking chocolate,
8 ounces of softened cream cheese,
1 cup of sifted powdered sugar,
all in this bowl, 6 ounces of melted white baking chocolate, which we will melt when we get to it,
and finally 1/2 a cup of chopped dried cranberries.
which of course we will chop when we get to it.
Let's get started.
Wiggles is not very fuzzy.
I'll make sure to add that in. That's a very important detail. Not fuzzy.
He's also a chunk.
I'll make sure to add that in too. I almost made him as small as Luna. Oop.
He purrs very loudly.
Wait, why does that make sense? This isn't gonna make sound.
Oh, true. I was just throwing facts into the air.
Yeah.
Oh, happy kitty. Done with Wiggles?
Almost. I'm actually, yes, I am. I'm done. Oh, darn it. My iPad just glitched. But, you can still see him perfectly. It looks like Wiggles.
Oh wow, I like the modern aesthetic to it.
Oh, no, that was just my iPad glitching.
Oh, it looks cool.
I think.
Well, hello, Will. All right.
I don't know.
Now it's time for Luna.
Yes, go get Luna. I'll make a new canvas.
All right. Luna! Luna, where are you? Fuzzy kitty? Oh, someone's at the door. Oh, hey Luna. Here, come on in. How are you doing? How was your daily hunt? Oh, really? 4 rats? Dang, that's a lot. And a fox?
Oh my
Dang! All right, now it's time for Luna. Let's do this.